Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Now, we've covered how to make thumbnails in Photoshop, but we're going to cover today how to make thumbnails in Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. Now, believe it or not, there are actually quite a few benefits to actually making your thumbnail in Final Cut Pro. But let's start off by importing the images and stuff that we are going to use. Yes, you will want to import some image, at least give you guys a starting background. In my case, I imported some items that I use regularly for most of my thumbnail, like a background. Since it's in Final Cut Pro, we're going to use this, and the top spikes. Now, I only have the top spikes here because they are what's going on at the top. I'm going to make this full thumbnail in Final Cut Pro, then export it, and then bada bing, bada boom. And, just have a bit of fun with it on this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually move this. So we just put the rotation back to where it was. Do this. Now, we can actually apply plugins to this quite easily. Plugins or whatever we want. We can even play around with effects. So let's go with effects. There's actually this cool effect I got not too long ago. I kind of want to check out a bit. So honestly, it's detailed. There we go. We will change that to there a little bit. Now we are going to change the color of this to it. But nothing is nothing without a cool font, right? So that's what we're going to do actually. We are going to go here and then go to custom fonts. We're going to extend this however far we need to. And then we are going to, I actually have a font saved already. There will be a card top right hand corner where I do teach you guys how to do this if you so wish. But yeah, this is the font I'm going to use. Then I'm going to call it Amazing Thumbnail. Yep, that's what I called it. Plain and simple. Amazing Thumbnail. We're going to just increase the size a bit there. Decrease it a little bit. Apply the Saber plugin to it. Make a few changes to the plugin because we want it to be more in line with, the other area that we did. So we'll move this all the way down. Okay, we got those the way we want it. And now we want to add something down here just so we can show that we mean business. But better than a little piece of paper. Final Cut Pro. We do have one more thing to do though. It's actually fairly important. Okay, we have this here. And now we have to move this a bit here. Okay, that is good. Very good. We got almost everything the way we want it. We have one more thing to do. We are going to get rid of this. I think we're just going to go with a classy comic look for this final thing. You know, just give it its final comic look. That's probably the best thing we can do for it. So yeah, let's give it a comic look. And you know what? While we're at it, let's give everything a comic look because you know you can't go wrong with the comics. I'm just having fun on it. But yeah, I'm having fun with this whole thing. Now we just gotta make one more thing all comic-y, and that is this. There we go. Perfect. And let me know what you guys think of my masterpiece in the comment section below. Now, all we need to do is export this very easily, I might add. Go up to share, and then, well, I have this here, but you might not have this here. So what you'll need to do is hit add destination, and then go to at destination, add save current frame, okay? And then once you do that, you'll be able to select save current frame from the drop down. It will save it for you either at PNG or JPEG or whatever file you choose, in which case you'll be able to then take it into Photoshop, edit if you might need, or just make sure the file size is small enough and just straight up upload it to YouTube as your thumbnail. Hopefully this has helped you. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.